In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid accidentally selecting objects in PowerPoint, essentially showing you how to lock down layers. This is incredibly useful when you're working on a detailed slide layout and want to ensure that certain elements don't get moved around inadvertently. Let's get started. First off, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's fired up, navigate to the specific presentation you're currently working on or the one you want to adjust. Having your slides ready will make it easier to follow along with the demonstration. Now, with your presentation open, direct your attention to the Home tab. This is where many of the basic yet powerful tools are located in PowerPoint, and it's the starting point for what we're about to do. In the Home tab, look for a section labeled Editing. It's usually found towards the right side of the toolbar. It's packed with options that help you modify and organize the elements on your slides. Within the Editing section, you'll want to find and click on Select. Clicking this reveals a couple of options, but today we're focusing on the one labelled Selection pane. The Selection pane is an incredibly efficient tool when you need to manage your slide elements without the hassle of accidentally grabbing the wrong object. Click on the Selection pane and you'll see a new pane pop up on the right hand side of your screen. This pane gives you a list of all the objects on your current slide. Think of it as a bird's eye view of every individual element, from text boxes to images and shapes, neatly laid out for you to manage. Next to each object in the selection pane, you'll see a small eye icon that lets you toggle the visibility, but what we're truly interested in today is the lock icon. The lock icon is your safeguard against accidental changes. When you click on this, it locks down that specific object, ensuring it stays put on your slide no matter how many times you click or drag in that area. You can lock as many objects as you need. This way you can focus on editing other elements without the fear of disrupting your carefully arranged layout. Just remember, if ever you need to make adjustments to a locked object, you'll need to return to this pane and unlock it by clicking the icon again. This keeps the process straightforward and gives you control over your slide composition. And there you have it. You've effectively learned how to lock down layers in PowerPoint, preventing any accidental selections or movements. This tool makes your workflow more efficient and protects your design choices as you refine your presentations. Keep practicing this technique to enhance your PowerPoint skills, and you'll find editing and creating slides much smoother. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.